Hello, what's up guys? My name is Gazanfar and today in this video we are going to create a blog website using WordPress. For this tutorial we are going to use a free theme named Color Mag, and we will customize the theme in a way that we can use multiple categories for your blog. We will use some demo articles from this Google News, and we'll be using categories such as business, technology, sports, entertainment, science, and health. We will import some demo articles. We will import like 4 to 5 articles for each categories, just to make sure how the theme will work and how you customize it and how you will be able to add your own blog post to your website. So if you are interested, let's get started. So for now I have installed a fresh WordPress on my domain. You can check it from here. The WordPress is using the default WordPress 2021 theme. So first of all, what we need to do is to change this theme, and we are going to use a theme called Color Mag. Color Mag. This is Color Mag. You can click on install button, and then once it is installed you will click on activate. Once the theme is activated, it will ask you for get started with Color Mag. Click on this button and it will start processing. It will ask to import some demo data. There is a pro version for this theme available. If you want to use a pro version, you can definitely buy the pro version from the theme provider, that are themegrill.com. Like, you can buy from there, but for this particular tutorial we are going to use the free demos and free demo data and free theme, every free plugin. So for now I think we can import this general news template, and you will have to click on this import button. It will ask for confirmation. You can read these things. I will simply click on this confirm button. It will take some time to import the demo data. Once that will import it, you will be able to see a skeleton of the website. And then we can change the categories and everything on the website as per our convenience. So it is taking some time. Now the demo data is imported and we can view our live site. Now here you can see that our demo blog post and layout is imported here. So you can see our 50% of the work is done. Now first of all, what you have to do is to create categories for this menu. For that, what you will do is to go to posts and then click on categories. Once you will click on categories, you will be able to see all of the categories that are currently available for this. But for now we have different kind of menu. Let's just check the menu that we have. If you click on this menus, now you can see this is our footer first menu. We may have multiple menus like primary menu. You can always drag and drag out multiple items in these menus by simply choosing. If you want to add a page, simply choose the page and click on this add to menu, and that page will be added to your menu items. But for now I don't want this, so I remove this. If you want to add posts in your menus, you can add posts from there, and if you want to add categories you can choose categories from there. For now our categories are good, so I'll click on save menu, and we want to change this menu first. So for that you will click on this customize. Now when you will click on customize, you will have multiple options available here. Now we have the first option, which is global. From here you can choose the colors for the theme. For the primary color we are using the red. If you want to change this you can choose different colors from there, but the red is fine for now. You can choose the skin color. If you want to choose white skin, this will appear like this, but if you want to use dark skin, the background will become dark, but the white skin is suitable for now, so we'll use the white skin. Then you can choose the different type of colors for each categories to differentiate them from one another. Currently they are configured in nice manner, so I will not change them. You can change the background color of containers and background images. You can always play around with them. Then you have some layout options available. If you want the wide layout, like it will contain a whole uh, window of your screen. Then you can choose wide, otherwise you can choose boxed layout. The wide layout is fine for me now. Then you have front page option. From here you can choose the layout for front page, and you have the option that says check to hide blog post static page on front page. If you want to hide some blog posts or static pages on front page, you can always check on this item, and all of your blog page and static pages will disappear from the home page. But we want to display those things, so we'll click on this. Then we have this header option. From here we will be able to change our menus. So what we want to do is to change our primary menu, and here it says if you want to display this search icon, so we want to display search icon. If you want to show home icon, it will show home icon as well, just like this. Then we have responsive menu styles. Then we have primary menu option. There are different kind of menus layouts available. You can always choose between them, but the current one is looking fine. Then we have this top bar available. If you want to use this breaking news that says latest and posts are rotating here, you can always keep it. And if you want to show the date, you can choose the date as well, like this. It is showing the date. Then if you want to choose the sticky header, like you can see our header is sticking on the top when we hover down to the website. You can choose that, and if you want to disable this, you can disable this as well. To go back, and here we have menus, and there we have primary menu. This is our primary menu. My location, primary menu, and now you can see our menu is updated. Now in order to change this logo, what you'll have to do is to go to header and site identity, and here you will be able to change your logo. So if we the suggested dimension is 150 by 150 pixel, so I will randomly download a logo from Google and try to upload that logo on the website. So let's say news website logo, which is This is logo names. Let's just copy this image, save this image on my desktop and save it. This is in web print, so we'll have to convert this into PNG. So for that you'll click this in paint and then you click on save as PNG on desktop, and we'll rename this as logo. And now we have this logo. We can crop this. Save a copy on desktop, the name of logo, and yes. And now we have our logo. So we can change our logo in the customizer. For that we'll have to upload this logo, and our logo is uploaded. We'll choose this logo and it will ask us to choose the dimension. So I will click on skip cropping, and now we have our logo appearing right here. If you want to display your banner, you can always choose this, but I think I do not want this banner for now, so I'll click on remove lock. If you are planning to keep the Google ads or propeller ads on your blog, you can always use this header sidebar, but currently I'm not planning anything like that, so I'll remove this. Then we have advertisement option for our footer. That advertisement will appear right here. Then we have some option for this footer sidebar. Like you can see, we have an image there. We click on image and click on replace, click on upload, and I'll replace this. Now we have this image. Just because our image is not transparent, so I think I will revert back to what we had earlier. Okay, then you can change the text for footer here. Like this is a news blog website using color mag theme. This website is for tutorial purposes only and is being created by Gazanfar Ali. So just like this, you can add any text that you want, and once that is done, if you want to add anything in your footer sidebar too, you can add here. Like currently we can choose our navigation here, and our navigation will appear there just like this. And for footer 3 we can also choose some navigation for like footer last menu or footer second menu. I will name them as useful menus. Just like this. And if you click on this footer general, then you can choose from these two options. So I think this is looking fine. Type 1 is good, so I'll keep this. Then you have option for widget. The header sidebar, you can choose the sidebar. Then advertisement above the footer, that will appear right here. And footer sidebar 1, footer sidebar 2, and footer sidebar 3. These are all of the options that we have just customized. If you want to add other things, you can choose other things like gallery and images or headings or quotation or anything, you can add them here. Or if you want to add some blocks, you can add your blocks here. You can choose from various styles, or you can embed your YouTube or Twitter or Spotify or Vimeo or Flickr or Dailymotion or any other social media pages here if you want. That is all that I wanted here. Once that is done, I'll click on publish, and now we have our website like this. Now, as you may have noticed, that these all are the demo blog posts that have been imported via the theme. So now the thing is how you will be able to add your own blog post on the website. This is very simple. You'll click on this posts icon, but before you will go to categories, and you can add your categories right here. You will enter the name of your category and write the slug, and then you will click on add new category. But for me, the demo worked really well, and I have all the categories that I wanted, like sports, technology, travel and trending, news and world, and entertainment, and everything. So the first thing that you have to do is to create your categories. Once your categories are created, then you will go to posts. Here you can see all of the posts that we have. So let's say I want to add a new post under, like, under news. So let's say I want to add this post. Then so I will copy this title and paste this title here, and for content I will copy this content and paste this content right here. Okay, once that is done, then you will have some more option like template. You can choose the template. For now we'll keep the default template. Then you can choose between permalinks and categories. So we want to assign this post to a categories, and we will assign this post to news and political, let's say. Then you can add your tags like Taliban. You can choose appropriate tags, targeting protesters, just like this. Then you will have an option to choose a featured image. I will definitely like to use a featured image, so I will save this image on my desktop, and then I'll click on this set featured image, and I'll upload this image on the website, and I will choose this image as the featured image. Once that is done, you can write some excerpt about the post, like uh, a paragraph that indicates about what this post is all about. Once that is done, you can choose between discussion. If you want to allow the comments, that is fine. If you don't want, just uncheck this. If you want to allow ping packs, that is fine, otherwise you can disable that. And for now that is okay. Then here you have some layout options. You can always choose between layouts. For now we have like this layout. This is the title, and this is the body of the post, and on the right side you have this widget area. So this is all good. We'll click on this publish, and now if I refresh this, so you can see our post that we have just added appearing right here. So here we have the widget area, and there is our post. So just like this, I will add a new post into sports category, let's say. Into this sports category, I'll copy the title and copy some of the description of this post. I'll copy and paste it here. Don't worry about these are some Twitter widgets only. So we need a featured image, which is this, and I'll copy. This is in WebP format, so I'll definitely have to convert this into JPG or the PNG format. So I'll convert this into JPEG format and save it on the desktop, and then I will upload this featured image on the desktop. Then I will set it as featured image. I can always add my tags here, and from here I can choose the categories, which is sports category. Then you can add some excerpt here. So for this I will copy these two sentences and paste them as excerpt, and then once that is done I'll click on publish. Now let's see. Under sports category, here our post is added. So just like this, you can add as many posts as you want. After that, then we have this contact us page, and right here you can add your contact form. For that, this theme automatically add a form builder, which is Everest Forms, and they have added multiple contact form. If you want to add a different kind of form, you can always click on this add new button, and you can choose between templates from here. Okay, if you want to start from scratch, you can choose this option. Otherwise, this simple contact form works fine. Then if I click on all forms, I can copy this, and if I go to pages, then here we have this contact us page. If I click on edit this page, so this page is edited using Elementor, so I'll click on edit with Elementor, and right here this is a widget, and you can see we have a shortcode here, so we can paste our shortcode and we have the similar form right here. Once that is done, you can click on update button, and that is all fine. And you can click on exit to dashboard, and if I refresh this page, our form is looking same as it was. So this is basically how you can create your blog website using color mag theme on WordPress. After that, we have some of these social media icons. So in order to customize those social media icons, you can click on customize, and from here you will need to find out, or if you don't want to find out, just click on this pencil icon, and from here you can add your links for your social media icons. Once you will add those social media icon like facebook.com, so in order to add the Facebook URL, you will simply copy this, and then you can paste your URL here. Just like this, you can add your Twitter, Google Plus, Instagram, and all other social media links. And once that is done, you can click on publish, And this is how you can create your blog website. So this is how you can create a blog website with multiple categories such as politics, world, technology, travel, sports, entertainment, and any other category using color mag theme on WordPress. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please hit this subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you will never miss an update from me. And thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you again.